create curiosity when you are creating stories. Now, you've probably seen people on Instagram say, don't share your post to your stories, it reduces reach. The reason it does that is because people are sharing their posts to their stories without creating any type of curiosity. They're not putting anything about it. They're not making it interesting. They're just sharing their post with no context around their post. Whenever you share your post or anybody's post on Instagram, it could be the best post in the world. If you just share it to your stories and you don't have any context around why you're sharing it, nobody's gonna understand why you shared it, and nobody's gonna feel what you felt. Whenever you share your post or anybody else's post, always have some sort of context. I have a lot of people who follow me who are peers that probably get tired of looking at my 7 easy faceless reels ideas. Now, new people, they love it because it's new to them. But people who have been following me for a while, even you, may not like seeing this post as much as you did the first time that you saw it. So I put context around sharing this post in my stories of it's Friday. Yay, let's get excited about Friday. So I open that up when I share my Friday Faceless Reels post into my stories. I have a sticker here for Friday. I have context here of this week's Faceless Reels ideas. The reason I have that, people may not pay attention to the fact that this is part of a series. This is part 15. So if you are a new follower on my account and you go to my stories to see, what is this Ginger putting in her stories? This week's Faceless Reels ideas is going to tell them, oh, I came to her account, I visited her profile today because she did this 7 easily faceless reels idea post. Oh, it's a series. I can look forward to this every week. That will make them click the follow button because they don't want to miss it.